100 gang. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Money's coming to me.
So thus far, in the U.S. anyway, I think we're seeing very healthy consumer sentiment.
And that's the CEO of Starbucks. You know, it amazes me when I listen to these guys, like the CEO of Starbucks or J.P. Morgan. They don't get it. I wish the guy at Starbucks, he should talk to the employees of Starbucks. He'd find a whole different story. In fact, we just got the sentiment report this week. It's the lowest since 2011, so how can he say that? He should interview his own employees. I go to Starbucks every morning right across from where I live. My condominiums are Starbucks. I know the guys and the gals very well. And even though they get paid well and are happy there, but they still complain. I mean, they're not getting rich, that's for sure. In fact, they're seeing their sales going down, not up. And they're talking to me the other day about it, that their sales are going down because people just don't have the money. The very, very wealthy have the money, but the everyday guy on Main Street, he doesn't. I mean, think about it. You got 50% of our workforce, which is about 157 million people, 50% make less than $38,000 a year. That's 50% of our workforce. That's insane. 25% make less than $50,000 a year. So, you know, unless you got a lot of credit, that's where credit's coming from. In fact, I always laugh when I'm in Starbucks and I see somebody open a wallet and they're paying with a credit card. Using a credit card to buy a coffee? But the thing is, the credit cards in the wallet are so thick, I can't believe when they open up their wallet. I look at the guy in front of me, and it's like a brick. The wallet's the size of a brick. You got to be kidding me. No wonder everybody's got a back problem in this country. They're carrying around too much credit cards. That's the big problem. But before I get into that today, the hearings have started. You're probably watching them, and they are fascinating. They are fascinating. And this guy, Shifty Schiff, are you kidding me? He's a skunk. I mean, you just look at the guy. He looks like a skunk. His eyes bugging out of his head. He's a skunk. There's no question about it. This guy's a liar and a skunk. He doesn't even know what the word fair means. So they brought in what they call their star witness, Ambassador Taylor. And they prepped him what to say. All the witness, you can hear how he testifies. When the Democrats ask questions of him, you can tell how smooth it goes. They rehearsed it. They rehearsed everything. It's just too phony. It's not how it goes. If you're in a deposition or somebody's giving you a question, it doesn't go like that. It's not a natural flow. But if you listen to him being questioned by any Democrat, I'm talking about Ambassador Taylor, it's so phony. But it was interesting. His story fell apart today. And Jordan, I love Jordan. Jordan is terrific. Ambassador Taylor comes out and says, oh, yeah. I said, yeah, what I heard, he says, is I understood clearly what's going on. I understand clearly what the president was doing. Listen how he gets torn apart. This is the first one right here. This is unbelievable.
We got 6 people having 4 conversations in one sentence, and you just told me this is where you got your clear understanding.
Okay, so I'm going to cut in now and go to the conversation, what he's talking about.
Now, again, this is, I hereby swear and affirm from Gordon Sondland. Ambassador Taylor recalls that Mr. Morrison told Ambassador Taylor that I told Mr. Morrison, and I conveyed this message to Mr. Yarmouk on September 1st, 20. This all happens, by the way. This all happens, by the way, in Warsaw, where Vice President Pence meets with President Zelensky. And guess what?
Taylor,
they didn't talk about any linkage either.
So what he's saying is that Taylor met with the president 3 different times of Ukraine. And not one conversation did the president bring up any objections to the phone conversation or any objections to, hey, I got screwed on this deal. They're holding back my money unless I go after the Bidens. So Taylor is being questioned by Jordan and he met with the president 3 times. Taylor met with the Ukraine president 3 different times, and he admitted not one time did the president of Ukraine bring up anything about the phone call being unfair, that he's being blackmailed, that the president is holding back money, and that President Trump won't give them the money unless they go after good information on Ukraine goes after the Bidens, investigate the Bidens. Remember what this is all about. That's what they're saying. They're saying that the problem here is that Trump broke the law because he's telling the president of Ukraine, I'm not going to give you any money until you give me information on the Bidens. Well, it's not true. So listen to this.
We got 6 people having 4 conversations in one sentence, and you just told me this is where you got your clear understanding. Which, I mean, even though you had 3 opportunities with President Zelensky for him to tell you, you know what, we're going to do these investigations to get the aid. Didn't tell you 3 different times. Never makes an announcement, never tweets about it, never does a CNN interview. Ambassador, you weren't on the call, were you? You didn't listen on President Trump's call and President Zelensky's call?
I did not.
You've never talked with Chief of Staff Mulvaney?
I never did.
You never met the president?
That's correct.
You had 3 meetings again with Zelensky and it didn't come up.
And 2 of those they had never heard about as far as I know.
And
there was no reason for it to come
President
up.
Zelensky never made an announcement. This is what I can't believe. And you're their star witness. You're their first witness. You're the guy. You're the guy based on this. Based on, I mean, I've seen church prayer chains that are easier to understand than this. Ambassador Taylor recalls that Mr. Morrison told, now again, this is, I hereby swear and affirm from Gordon Sondland. Ambassador Taylor recalls that Mr. Morrison told Ambassador Taylor that I told Mr. Morrison, and I conveyed this message to Mr. Yarmouk on September 1st, 20. This all happens, by the way. This all happens, by the way, in Warsaw, where Vice President Pence meets with President Zelensky. And guess what?
Taylor,
they didn't talk about any linkage either. Now, again, this is, I hereby swear and affirm from Gordon Sondland. Ambassador Taylor recalls that Mr. Morrison told Ambassador Taylor that I told Mr. Morrison, and I conveyed this message to Mr. Yarmouk on September 1st, 20. This all happens, by the way. This all happens, by the way, in Warsaw, where Vice President Pence meets with President Zelensky. And guess what?
So there's 4. What he's bringing out is that there's Ambassador Taylor says, look, I have a clear understanding of what happened and that how Trump broke the law. I have a clear understanding of what went on. So what Jordan's doing is reading the letter from the first guy, the first ambassador who gave the letter to this other guy. It took like 4, it went through 4 or 5 different people. So it was all hearsay. So the chief witness, the Ambassador Taylor, that's their star witness for the Democrats. The information he is now giving is all hearsay. It was passed down to 4 or 5 different people. And in any court, that'd be thrown out. Hearsay. I mean, this thing is a joke. It's just, and when you listen to the Democrats, you can just see you can feel it. You can see the venom. You can see the hatred. Their whole point is they just hate Trump. They're going to get rid of him any way they can. And if this don't work, you watch. They'll try to assassinate him. They will try to assassinate him. There's no question about it. Because that's the hatred they have for this president. They will try to assassinate this man. So they're not going to win this hearing. It's not going to happen. I mean, because, the problem with the Democrats, they got to remember their lies. They got to remember their lies. And boy, do they lie. It is unbelievable. Okay, that's enough for politics. When we get back, let's talk about making some money. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Attend the Phil's Gang Personal Stock Market Coaching Seminar with Phil Grandy and Steve Celeste in Sarasota, Florida. This seminar will educate individuals who are interested in learning in-depth stock charting technicals, providing professional one-on-one training strategies and personal investing experiences. The Phil's Gang Trading and Investing Seminar will give you the confidence to make profits in the stock market. Don't wait. Register today. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. Stop wasting your money and time on outdated newsletters, reading dozens of websites and magazines. You wanted it, you got it. One-on-one coaching with Phil Grandy. For more information and to register, call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. And we'll see you on the charts.
At St.Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position and you'll sleep at night and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. You're not a regular listener to Phil's Gang? What, are you nuts? Listen to Phil Grandy and check out philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, so they're having their hearing today, and we can see all that this evening. I don't want to waste my time on it. I just thought Jordan was spectacular. He got right to the point. This guy, Taylor, Ambassador Taylor's a phony. He was told to lie. He was told what to say. And you'll see that yourself when you sit down tonight and you watch this a bit. But more important to this is, are you going to be able to retire? You don't get a pension anymore. Remember, pensions were a beautiful thing. Because pensions, you were guaranteed a wonderful retirement. The owner of the company, the corporation, would make sure that you got a beautiful retirement. That the income would be equal to the income that you were making while working. So when you retire, they would assure you get the same income as if you were working. It was guaranteed. All they wanted in for that was loyalty, that you build a good product for the company. That's all. Just build a good product. And they, in turn, made a deal with you that we're going to help you to keep increasing your productivity. We're going to keep taking our profits, which is about $12 trillion a year in corporate profits of the S&P 500. We're going to take those $12 trillion, we're going to plow it back into the company so you get new equipment, new machinery, new facilities, so that you can increase what you're producing. The more you produce, the more profit. Productivity is everything. Productivity is everything. That's what gives us our economic growth. Our GDP we hear about all the time. That's what gives us our growth, productivity. But in 2008, they took that away from us. They stole that from Main Street. The multimillionaires, the CEOs, the Jamie Dimons, the guys that run Starbucks, took that away from us. Took it away from Main Street. This is why people are talking about socialism. Isn't that terrible? People always ask, why are they talking about socialism? Why are millennials talking about socialism? Because it was these guys since 2008 that screwed Main Street. They're getting it all. Think about it. Now let's think about the last two rallies. Why is it that the .com rally went up 87%, and when it hit 87%, it went into a crash? Why is it the housing rally, the housing con, went up about 88%, stopped, and went into a crash? So let's say the .com rally, the housing rally, both went up about 87, 85 to 87%, then crashed. Went down about 50%. But then we had the QE rally, the rally we're in now, that started in 2008. It went up 87%, then an additional 233% on top of the 87%. And your planners told you to get out of the market, go to bonds. And how many people in 2008 said, I just want to hold on my principal after the crash? I just want to hold on my principal. Can you imagine how you got screwed? And your brokers are making more money because they're selling you bonds. Can you imagine you left? But here's the key. The reason, think about it, common sense. How could you have one rally go up 87%, then crash, the second rally go up 87% and crash, but the third rally go up 87%, then extend it another 233%? How the hell could that happen? That's not natural. It's not earnings. It's not growth. It's not new products. It's not productivity. It's called financial engineering, stock buybacks. So think about this. The Main Street economy, there's two different economies in this world, or in this country, I should say. The Main Street economy where 50% of our workforce, 157 million people, make $38,000 a year or less. About 25% make around $48,000 a year. Imagine, that's terrible. Since 2008, the economy only grew by 2.8% a year for each year for 10 years, say 28%. That the stock market grew 30% a year. How could an economy grow only 2.8%, but a stock market grow 30%? How can that possibly be? It's called financial engineering. Now, remember what they did. Quantitative easing, that big fancy word, QE, all that is a con job. It's a scam. It's a confidence builder. What they do is they printed $33 trillion. And it was for the sole benefit of Wall Street firms, their partners, their large shareholders like Warren Buffett, the Koch brothers, the biggest shareholders of their firms. Firms like Goldman Sachs, J.P. Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, the biggest banks ever. So what happened was they financially engineered a way to print this $33 trillion, and they told us the $33 trillion was going to benefit Main Street. What a lie that was. They took the $33 trillion and they didn't give it to Main Street, didn't go anywhere near Main Street. It went to stock buybacks. Imagine that, $33 trillion to stock buybacks. That meant of every $8 of the 33, Wall Street got a benefit of about $330. For every $8 of that $33 trillion, Wall Street benefited of the $8, they benefit another $330. Use that. Main Street lost money. Of the $8, they went negative $1. So all of that money, the $33 trillion, was earmarked for the stock market to do stock buybacks, to roll up the stock price as high as you can, that only benefited the 1 percentile and the 1/100th of 1 percentile. But Main Street didn't benefit at all. Zero. Nothing. But we're going to show how we made money with that. And you can too when I get back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch.
With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. So we've hit the top of the market. After 10 years, the market is struggling to go higher. In fact, we've never seen the amount of money that's being pulled out of the market. In the last 12 months, the market has struggled. It's only gone up 1.6%. We're seeing a historic amount of money being pulled out by the big institutions. They're taking their money out of the market for fear of a recession and a crash. So I want you to ready. My gang members are ready for that, and I want you to be ready for that. Now, we have a brand new website. I want to celebrate that website. Yesterday, I said I was going to give for 1 week, and I never did this before. I'm going to give a free membership. It's $39.95. I'm going to give you that for 1 week. We've never done that before. So I decided to extend it. So, and I'm not sure when I'm going to shut it off. So I would say just join up as quickly as you can. You're going to get a free gang membership for $39.95. That means you get everything. You get our classes. You get videos. You get everything. $39.95. But I'm also throwing in the color-coded chart that tells us when we buy a stock, when we add to our position, when we decide to sell it, we decide to run like hell. best yet, when to get out, and better yet, when to sell short. 99.99% of investors, they don't ever make money when the market's going down. They're always calling their broker, what should I do? What should I do? My members, because of my color-coded chart, which is a $30 value, you're going to get that free for 1 week, plus the membership, $39.95. You're going to get that free for 1 week. So you get both these free for 1 week, and you'll see my system works. All you have to do at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, or when you get home from work, go to the video. You select, our member portfolio has different stocks and ETFs. Just select 1 or 2 of them and follow them for that week. You will see, for that week, you'll see how it works. Every day at 2 o'clock, our team, before 2 o'clock, we post each stock in our video. Each stock that's in our member portfolio, each one, we have a video on it. We tell you exactly what to do. Example, today, I'm going to put up right now on my chart, if you want to follow me, if you have a mobile device, I'm going to put up Apple. So I'm putting up Apple, and we released at 2 o'clock for my members what to do. And we're going to explain right now by video, and we're following the MV2 color-coded chart, which I'm going to give you for free, plus a membership, which I'd never done that before. $39.95, you're going to get that free until I decide to shut it off. Here we go.
Apple, you could add to your Apple long today. Keep your stop at 259.83.
So what he does is our members now, Apple, we're doing fantastic with Apple. Now, Apple, we're up in Apple, I think about 14%, if I'm correct, 14%. And we bought Apple on October 7th, so we've been in over a month. And you see how it stayed green all the way up? Now, that's great. It's green all the way up. That's telling us the institutional money is going into that stock, Apple. But here's what nobody does for you. Nobody, not your 401k guy, not your manager, not your money manager, not your broker. Nobody is going to tell you when money is pulling out of Apple. How does money go up? I mean, how does stock goes up? Stocks go up not on earnings. That's proven. Listen, we've gone up. The stock market has gone up over 10 years now. We're up over 300%. That's 30% a year. Our stock market's gone up. Our economy's only grown 2.8% a year. Well, we're growing 30% the stock market. So it's not earnings. It's not sales. That's not what's driving the market higher. It's called stock buybacks. So the stock is up, stock market's up over 300%. So the key is all these stocks that are going up, we're making money, but better yet, these stocks are going to crash. There's no question about it. The dot-com crashed, the housing con crashed, but here's the difference. This is an unbelievable bubble. The dot-com bubble, remember, before it went up 85% and crashed. The housing bubble went 85% and crashed. But the bubble we're in up now is up, think about it, it's going about 235 times further. They extended about 235% further. Are you nuts? That's crazy. It's ridiculous, because when the other two stopped going up, this one said, you know what, we're going to keep moving this up another 233%. That's crazy. And there's no earnings. Our earnings are negative. Look at the earnings. Earnings are down, not up. Our earnings are negative 3.1%. That's insane. Our earnings for quarter one are at zero. Our growth was 3% GDP for quarter one. Our second quarter, earnings, profits, zero. Our GDP went down from 3% to 2.8%. Our third quarter, earnings, profits, negative. The quarter we're now, 3.2% negative. And our economy grew by 1.8%. Everything's going backwards. So what I'm saying is, you follow the money. It has nothing to do with profits. It has nothing to do with the company anymore. So I'll give you that chart free. That's a color-coded chart in a membership, but you got to sign up. Now, as I said, I started yesterday. I think I'll keep it open for another day or so. It's free. And every afternoon at 2 o'clock, we will post our portfolio with a video that gives you instructions what to do with your stock, and you will love it. It is so easy. But the beauty is that when this market crashes, you will be out first. But better than being out, you'll be in a position as the market goes down, you'll be making money, called shorting. Nobody's ever done that. And with the color-coded chart, you just watch. I'm going to give it to you for a week, and you see how it works. You're going to say, why didn't I do this long ago? It works. So, again, if you think about the stock market, I mean, it's crazy. It's like the 1 percentile went nuts. After each market went up 87%, they decided to push this one another 233%. They did that by doing stock buybacks. They printed 33 trillion and put the 33 trillion into stocks. They didn't put any money into any of those profits or money into the company. So there's no productivity, so your wages aren't going anywhere. They lie to you. They say your wages are up 3%, but they don't tell you when you adjust for inflation or costs, healthcare, so forth. Our wages are at a negative, not positive, negative 1.3%. Nobody benefited. The only one that benefited this big long rally has been the very, very wealthy. They benefited. Main Street didn't benefit because none of that $33 trillion that was printed ever went into Main Street. In other words, never went into companies buying machinery so you could increase productivity, so you could increase your wages, increase your standard of living. You got screwed. So think about that. So again, join my gang. It's free. For a week, you get it free, $39.95. Never done this before. And I'm going to throw in the color-coded chart that tells us when to buy and when to sell. And at 2 o'clock, we post our video. Here's Apple. Here's what it sounds like.
Apple, you could add to your Apple long today. Keep your stop at 259.83.
Okay, so he's telling you when you go to your video, that's 180, but we do it on each one of our stocks. So he'll show you Apple. Apple pops up on the screen on our color-coded chart, and he explains what to do. And then when he'll tell you when to get out. He'll tell you when to take profits. He'll tell you when to start selling the stock short, so when it goes down, you're making money. But best of all, he'll tell you when to run like hell. It works. So just go to my site, philsgang.com, click on where it says Get Started. Get Started. And there's a beautiful video there. When you click for the MV2, we got a beautiful video, explains to you how to use it, what it's all about. It's beautiful. It works. So check it out. So again, go to philsgang.com, click on where it says Get Started. Okay? What's easier than that? Okay, when I get back, we're going to take a look at some stocks, especially the FANG stocks. Do we still follow those or do we dump them? More when we get back. Sign up for your free chart and your free membership. Never did that before.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
When the markets open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativeGroup.com.
License number A1900020.
Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. So yesterday, Maria Bartiromo said this.
I think the consumer's in a pretty good shape. We've got lower taxes, lower oil prices, low interest rates, right? And then
higher wages.
Higher wages.
And none of that's true. First of all, oil prices are up 33% in the last 12 months. Wages, the 3.2% increase, is a bold-faced lie. Oh, it's true. Wages did go up 3.1% rather in the last year. If you do not factor in or back in the cost of living, like health care. When you back health care in alone, it'll drop down to negative 1%, for God's sakes. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. So none of that is true. If that was true, then why are they worried, so worried about keep cutting rates? So right now they're worried about cutting rates again. They want to cut rates again. Because why? Because the problem is our debt is going up so high we can't afford to pay a higher interest rate than 1%. The market in 2008 crashed because the interest rates kept going up too high. And because we owe $600 billion in interest, and we have to pay it every September to the Chinese, we can't make those payments when interest rates are too high. And that's when the market collapsed. Now, remember, Powell comes out, and what's he talking about? And he's talking about he's saying how the economy's looking great. Well, if the economy's looking great, then why in the hell did he cut rates? And remember, since 2015 December, he cut rates 9 times. And each time it failed. The market started to pull back, started to fail. It didn't work. So here he is again.
The U.S. economy is now in the 11th year of this expansion, and the baseline outlook remains favorable.
How can a baseline outlook look favorable when you look at the earnings growth? when earnings, that's profits, gang, profits, earnings, profits for this year. Quarter one, 0. Quarter two, 0. The quarter we're in, we're reporting negative 3.2%. The fourth quarter we're going to go in is going to be negative. How can he say, oh, it looks great? Now let's talk about the growth of the economy. We're not growing. We're going the other way. We're decelerating. QE1, the first quarter this year was 3%. The second quarter dropped to 2.8. The third quarter dropped to 1.8. And by the way, the third quarter that dropped to 1.8 from 3% the first quarter, remember, the earnings or profit is negative 3.2%. So he's lying. But see, we don't care about that here at Phil's Gang. We just follow the big money. And we do that with our charting. It's a chart I designed. It follows the big banks. It follows the big institutions. It follows the insurance companies. They're the ones that put money into stocks to make the market go up, and they pull it out, and it goes down. So we don't care about any of this noise. I don't trust them for a moment. You shouldn't trust anything you hear about politics. We know all the networks lie about the politics. But don't forget, same thing with the financial networks, the cable news financial networks. They all lie. They lie. How can you say, and I get so angry when I hear Payne, good guy, but he always says this.
Our economy is surging along. It's surging.
So how can it be surging when the economy GDP went from 3% to 2.8 to a negative, okay? I mean, to 1.8 to 1. So we've gone from 3% to 1. I don't understand. That's not a rocket ship, but he's going to make sure you believe that. So here's what I want you to do. For the first time, I never offered a free membership with Phil's Gang. It's $39.95 a month. I'll give you 1 week. I'll give it to you for free for 1 week so you can come in and see what it's all about. 1 week. And you get the color-coded chart. That's going to be free. That's another $30 you get free. So for 1 week, I'll give you my $39.95 membership, and I'll give you my color-coded chart. And that 1 week, just come in and visit with us. You see exactly what we do. You see how we tell you when to buy, when to sell. You can, and every morning, Coffee Talk alone. I have more people tell you they join the gang just for Coffee Talk, for my take on the market every morning before the market opens. And then I give them my stocks, the selection of my stocks. We have thousands and thousands of members that just join all over the country, all over the world. They just want to know, what do I think about the market? What's it going to do? I'm told all the time, that's the most helpful thing. Is every morning they go in and they listen to what I say about the market. I get told all the time, that's the most helpful thing. But then on top of that, we give you the stocks. We give you the stocks. Like right now, we have some great opportunities we're looking at with some, like home builders. Oh no, we're not buying them. We're selling them short. So they're on our watch list. If you look at Beazer, BZH, now you'll be able to see this because you're going to have a free membership to get in, and you're going to have the color-coded chart. We're going to give that free to you also. And you're going to see how we're selling Beazer short. That's a home builder, and it's going down. So you're going to see how easy it is to make money when the stock goes down. You can't do that in your 401k. They never let you short anything because they only want you to buy. They don't make commissions when you short something. They only make commissions when you buy. So they always tell you, shorting's dangerous, shorting. No, it's dangerous to their wallet. But when you come in and you start in the morning with a Coffee Talk, it tells you everything we do. And then we have a class if you want to come to the class live from 9:30 to 11. You'll love that. Or if you don't have time, the most popular is our working investor group. That's where at 2 o'clock we put the video on for each one of our stocks in our membership. And the videos run about 1 to 2 minutes, sometimes even less. Like Apple today, it was only about 6 seconds because there was nothing new other than here. Listen.
Apple, you could add to your Apple long today. Keep your stop at 259.83.
So he's showing you on Apple the color-coded chart. You're going to get that free. It's $30. You get that free. And of course, you remember now. You get in. That's free. And he's going to show you Apple. Okay, here it is. Look at the color. It's green. It's telling us money's coming into Apple. Big institution you're buying. And here's where you put a stop in. So if it drops below this number, it kicks you out automatically. That's pretty cool. Think about it. And we do it all for you. So you take Apple, and we're saying, all right, you're in Apple. We're up 10% right now. The biggest thing is to protect our members' profits in Apple. So we've been in since October, and we're up 14%. So we will put a stop in. Let's say we put it's trading today at 264. We added to it. And let's say we put a stop in around 247. So we tell you where to put your stop. So if the stock drops to that point, it kicks you out automatically. But better yet, when it turns red, it's telling you the institutions are pulling all their money out and the stock is going to drop. And then we are short, so you're making money on the way down as well as the 14% on the way up. So just check it out. It's free. I'm not going to keep it open long, obviously. I can't keep doing this. But I want to get as many people as I can so I can prove to you. We got a brand new website. I want to show you that. I want to introduce you to Phil's Gang. I want to introduce you to what we do. It works. It really does. Okay, I want to finish up with all the stuff that's going on right now with the impeachment. It's not hurting the economy, they say. They're all saying, oh, it doesn't hurt the economy. It's not hurting. It's killing the economy. It's killing the economy. What are they talking about? That's why don't listen to these jibber jabbers on these financial shows. It's killing the economy because they're not working on peeling back Obamacare. We got to get rid of Obamacare. Healthcare is too costly. We got to work on healthcare. If we just can take care of healthcare alone, you all get your bills like I get mine, and every month it's going up. But they're not working on that. They want to impeach. They want to impeach the president, so they don't care. They're not working on our wages. Our wages are horrible because what they got to do is they got to stop with these stock buybacks. Because the more they let these companies buy their own stock back, they're not taking that money and putting it into productivity to increase productivity. They're not buying new machinery so you can produce more so you can get better wages and a better lifestyle. They don't care about you. They put in $33 trillion in the stock market, and it didn't go to Main Street. It went to the CEOs. So now I don't care anymore. My members don't care anymore. What do we care? Because at least we're free now. If the market goes down, we're making money. The market goes up, we're making money. And I'm going to prove that to you by giving you a free membership for 1 week and give you the free color code for 1 week. You come in as my guest, and you see exactly what we do and how we buy stocks, how we sell stocks, how it all works. So just go to philsgang.com, click on Get Started, philsgang.com, click on to Get Started, get your free gang membership and your free color-coded chart. I will see you on the chart. Sign up.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.